Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about how seeds are spread. This is taken from the science book, Unit 2. Okay, so last time we have learned about seed germination. Right now, do you still remember that flowering plants grow from seeds? I hope that you still remember about this. And have you ever noticed plants growing in places where previously there were no plants? For example, you are in a place which is there is no plants in that area, but right now you can find some kinds of plants growing there. How did the plants get there? Have you tried to find the answer about this? Okay, so look at the picture of the crowded seedlings below. So here you can see that there are a lot of seedlings in a small area. What do you think about this? Yeah, the growing seeds are called seedlings, just like what you see in the picture here. The seedlings actually they need the room to grow, but if you look at this picture, what do you think? Do they have enough room to grow? So if there are a lot of seedlings in a small area at the same time, this is what will happen. They will compete to get enough food and water from the soil, and also they will compete to get enough sunlight. Yeah, that's why the seeds need to be dispersed or moved away or spread from the parent plant. Because, yeah, why seeds must be dispersed? Because, as we seen before, that they need to get enough room for growing and also get enough food, water, and sunlight. If you can imagine that if they grow in one place which is under the parent plant, so the competition will happen not only among the seedlings but also between the seedlings and the parent plant. So here are some ways of the seed dispersal. I provide 5 pictures here. The first seed is the coconut seed. It will be dispersed by the water, just floating on the water. The second is bean pod, dispersed by explosion or pop up. The third one is dandelion seed, blown by the wind, and the other two will be dispersed by animal or human. Okay, so for the seeds that dispersed by animals or humans, the animal helps to carry the seeds on their fur or feathers, or it can suck on your clothes or socks. The animal will also fruit the edible fruits, will also eat the edible fruits that contain seeds and pass through the digestive system to be deposited later, so the seeds will be on their dropping. And some seeds will collect and bury seeds. For examples are ants and squirrels. The rest will be dispersed by the wind, water, and fire as a help by the nature. So this is the example of the seed dispersed by the animal. The seeds dispersed by animal in two ways. The first one is the animal will eat the fruit, and the second, the animal will carry the seeds on their fur. This is the example: falcon eating fruit from a tree, and a dog carry the seeds on its fur. Okay, let's take a look one by one. This is the animal eating the fruit. The animal like birds, monkeys, and elephants. They eat the juicy and colorful fruits. After that, they will digest the fleshy part of the fruit, and the seed will be on their droppings, or some of them will just throw the seed away. How is the characteristic of this kind of seed? The seed must be edible. The seed is in a fruit that's edible, and that fruit commonly are colorful and juicy. The second way to disperse the seed is by sticking to the animal's fur. So as you see here, some animals like dogs, they like to play outside, and then when they get back to home, they will bring some stranger things on their fur, like this. And also, if we go to the field, then after that, when we check our socks, you can see that, yeah, some seeds will suck on our socks like this. Because some flowering plants have fruits modified as burrs that cling to animal fur and the clothes of humans. How is the characteristic of this seed? So this seed has hooks. Okay, that's it for today. Next week we'll learn about the other ways seeds are spread. Thank you and God bless you all.